Minisita avunaanyizibwa ku kikula ky'abantu abakozi n'enkulakulana Hon Betty Amongi ategeezezza nti bategese olukungaana olw'enjawulo wakati w'abakyala okuva mu mawanga ag'enjawulo abeetayo mu lukungaana olwa NAM wamu n'olwa G77 Plus China Summit.
Conference will have people from East Africa, people from Africa, people from the Middle East, India, people across the globe. So we hope that the specific benefit we shall have will be how do we get markets for women entrepreneurs.
Hon Betty Amongi agamba nti olukungaana luno lugenderedwamu okulaba butya bwe banaayamba abakyala abalina bye bakola okufuna akatale k'ebyo bye batuusako engalo nga bino byanjulidde bannamawulire abamusanze ku ssengejjero ly'amawulire ga gavumenti erya Media Center mu Kampala.
Our specific niche that we want from NAM as women is number one, that we are able to have them discuss, deliberate on how we can expand the market and have the rules that are not too rigid for access to that market, because you can have access to market but you have very rigid rules.
Ebirala bye basuubira okubaganyako ebirowoozo y'engeri y'okutumbula eddembe ly'abawala wamu n'okubasitula mu byenfuna ebyenjigiriza kw'ossa n'obukulembeze obw'enjawulo nga bakukulemberwamu abakyala okuva mu ggwanga erya Azerbaijan.
How do we learn from other countries how women have been empowered economically, because without economic empowerment we will all not be standing here. Each one of us standing here have had to inject money to be where we are, either by having education or by having a job. So we are empowered economically.
Awakanyiza ebyogerwa nti olukungaana lwa Nana-led Movement lugenderedwamu okunyigiriza bannayuganda wamu n'okusaanyawo emirimu gyabwe, n'ategeeza nti lwakubayamba okutunda ebyamaguzi byabwe eri abagenyi abazze.
Issue of for example, relocation of border stages, the issue of people who are selling on the streets that have been temporarily relocated or requested to live where they are trading, to ensure that we have a good image for the country, is far more beneficial to the country in the long run. I am certain that it will not be a long-term issue after the summit. Those who are complaining that the diversion has affected their business, sometimes we will take short-term pain to have long-term gain. And the long-term gain for this conference will market Uganda for purpose of further conferences. The hotels are full.
Matiya Sekanjako yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KSTV Agalero.